Hey guys, welcome back. It's Valentine's Day, and the heroine of our story is still sleeping in her room, dreaming of a perfect guy to just magically jump into her room like a genie and propose to her without her actually taking any efforts or doing any damn thing. And if by miracle any guy comes up to her and says, "Do you want to go out on a date with me?" She would just reply, "No, no, 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 no. Let's just be good friends. I might end up hurting you." And then she disappears from his life. She does like this because, can you just stop oversharing on the internet and let me just get ready for work? Oh, and that's how a grumpy heroine is single on Valentine's Day. Love is the most beautiful emotion in the world. But the problem with love is that we become so impatient and look for that love in all the wrong places and end up hurting ourselves. According to me, to become the greatest lover in the world, one should be able to love themselves unconditionally. It's Valentine's Day and I'm buying myself an ice cream as a symbol of self love. I bought red velvet choco sin and I'm just waiting for my order to come. Literally everyone I know is celebrating their Valentine's Day today. But you know whose love story inspired me the most? Oh my god. Yeah, it's actually my mom and dad. In this world of chaotic feelings, they showed me what actually true love feels like, and I'm forever grateful for them. And by the way, this ice cream is really, really very tasty. I'm falling in love with this ice cream. Really. You can just call me old school, okay? But I just don't believe in the idea of dating someone for 2 years and then just leaving them and then finding someone else and then just leaving that person after 2 months or 3 months and then finally getting married to someone else. Okay, this idea of dating and getting into a relationship is not for me. I just feel like dating a person and then getting married to them. If you guys ask me what's the definition of love, I would just say that love is not just about cherishing each other's positive sides. It's about accepting each other's flaws and negative sides and respecting their boundaries and also sticking together during the worst phase of their life and still deciding to love the same person over and over again and again. And yeah, that's what I call it as love. I mean, how can I be in a relationship when I'm not in the best version of myself? I think that's gonna end up real bad. It would just suck the energy out of my partner. It's better not to be in such a relationship when you are not ready, rather than trying to fit in order to not feel alone. Honestly, let's be real, being single on Valentine's Day doesn't mean being alone. In fact, it doesn't mean there's something wrong with you or you're missing out on something nice. It's actually quite the opposite. I would say that this no boy era I'm living in right now is one of the best times of my life. It's a period where I have so much energy and freedom to become the best version of myself. This Valentine's Day, I'm gonna focus on becoming a responsible woman who is physically healthy, mentally strong, and financially independent enough to support her family and friends. Until then, I would just sing this song. Udungada sang, na tanda chor king. Tamil is my mother tongue. I'm single and I'm young. Ud sang, na king. I am single and I'm young. Ud sang. Alright, guys, I'll meet you guys soon in the next video. Then, tada, bye bye. See you. Love you loads.